Welcome to the Brand Lift Lifestyle, where we unravel the mysteries of common skin conditions and share effective home remedies to keep your skin glowing. We've got 10 skin conditions and the DIY solutions to treat them naturally. Let's dive in. 1. Acne. First up, the ever-persistent acne. Combat breakouts with a honey and cinnamon mask. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon, apply it to affected areas, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Honey's antibacterial properties and cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effects can work wonders. Dry skin. Dry skin, be gone. Make a hydrating avocado mask by mashing a ripe avocado and applying it to your face for 20 minutes. Avocado is rich in natural oils and vitamins, providing deep moisture for dry skin. 3. Sunburn. Sunburn? Aloe vera is your best friend. Extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to the affected areas. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties will soothe the burn and promote healing. 4. Eczema. For eczema relief, try an oatmeal bath. Grind oats into a fine powder, add it to your bath, and soak for 15-20 minutes. Oats have anti-itch and anti-inflammatory properties, providing relief for irritated skin. 5. Dark circles. Tired of dark circles? Apply cold green tea bags to your eyes for 10 minutes. The caffeine in green tea constricts blood vessels, reducing puffiness and dark circles. 6. Oily skin. Tame oily skin with a clay mask. Mix bentonite or kaolin clay with water, apply it to your face, and let it dry for 15 minutes. Clay helps absorb excess oil, leaving your skin balanced. 7. Psoriasis. For psoriasis relief, try a coconut oil compress. Apply warm coconut oil to affected areas and cover with a bandage. The oil's moisturizing properties can alleviate discomfort associated with psoriasis. 8. Wrinkles. Combat wrinkles with a DIY vitamin C serum. Mix vitamin C powder with aloe vera gel, apply it to your face, and leave it on overnight. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines. 9. Rosacea. Soothe rosacea with a chamomile tea compress. Brew chamomile tea, let it cool, and apply it to affected areas using a clean cloth. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm redness and irritation. 10. Dark spots. Bid farewell to dark spots with a lemon juice exfoliant. Mix lemon juice with sugar, gently scrub it onto your skin, and rinse. The natural acids in lemon can help lighten dark spots over time. There you have it, skin enthusiasts. 10 common skin conditions and the natural remedies to address them. Remember, consistency is key when using home remedies.